Bullseye.
What is going on, guys? It's Connor here, and this is just a quick little video saying what I'll be doing on this channel. First of all, I'd like to say my little intro was Connor Plays MC, and yeah, I'm Connor, and I do play Minecraft, as you can tell in the background. Yeah. So yeah, please subscribe to that channel. I only started it a couple of days ago. The link will be in the description of that, and let's carry on with this video. On this channel, I will be doing a couple of Let's Plays such as Hardcore Factions, Non-OP and OP, Prison on Helix Alliance for OP, and Titan MC for non-OP. And I will be doing some survival games, as you can see in the background. This is on Syndicate server, the IP will be in the description. Same with all like the OP and non-OP prisons. So yeah. Sorry this wasn't really a long video, it was just a quick little video just to say what I'll be doing on this channel. And Mason, who will also be doing recording on this channel, will probably be doing the same kind of things, but not always at the same time as me, maybe with other people, or just by himself, or with me, depends on what he wants to do. And yeah, adios.